Hi, so welcome to my home. People think paying 2600 for a studio apartment is crazy, but I love living here and I love everything about my apartment. So in this video, I'm going to show you around. And please, I apologize for the low lighting because I was filming this in the evening and Portland is not too great with lighting. So I hope you enjoyed this video and just probably get around to see my apartment. And I hope you like it. And I want to know what's your thought in the comment section. Am I crazy for paying that amount for the studio apartment? Is this something that you will probably do? If not, like I said, I love living here. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Let's get in the video. So there's my small bed. There's a full bed just for me. I like to keep my clothes on the bed so when I get up from work, I could just find where they are because I'm impatient. I cannot be looking for something, so I always leave my clothes on the bed. Over here, we have the dresser. I got this from my fiance. It's just me and him. I got it from him for my birthday. This bring out light and stuff. It changes light in the night, so I normally use it when I'm sleeping. And this is all the stuff that I spend my money on. So I decided to use it as a bookshelf in my apartment. This I got it from the thrift store and I DIY it to white. And this is just candle. I got this mushroom light from Bread Tide. I did a collaboration, gifting collaboration with them, and they sent me this. This is one of my favorite things in my house. I like the way they like it. It's really nice. I got some vases and stuff. Nothing serious. I also get my blanket over there, just in case if I'm cold in the night while watching TV, I could always use it. I got plants to the window. Yeah, I love plants in my house, so this is something that I really like. Through my window, it's growing. I have abandoned this plant for I don't know however, but anyway, on to the next. Right to my bed head. I bought this from Goodwill. This vase. I got it from Goodwill for I think $1, and then I DIY that to make it black because I wanted it to be black. I don't know, but and then I got this from Ghana. It's like a tray that I put my jewelry in. Yeah, I purchased it when I traveled to Ghana last year. I've also purchased this, but apparently this is a light for the house. Depending light, and then when I purchased it I didn't know how to set it up, so I broke it, so that's why it's over there, but it still works. Over here you got my clothes. It's not arranged right now, but this is my little closet, and this is where I keep most of my shoes and stuff. Yeah, and these are all the things that I spend my money on, just empty boxes. I'm supposed to be trying them out. In the living room, we got this table. I made this table. You wouldn't believe that I made this table, but I did. I made this table and it went viral on TikTok with 3 million views and almost 1 million on Instagram. This is one of my favorite things. You wouldn't believe I bought this almost $175 at the airport in Aslan. I just like it, and it's already, this is one of the things that I spent my money on, and then when I was like, why did I buy it? But I bought it because it was cute, so don't let my fiance hear it, but he was very mad that I spent that much money on this stuff, but I like it. That's what I got it. I got this is just place that I keep my jewelry, my engagement ring, earring and stuff. I got this from Italy. It's a jewelry box. It's really expensive. I think right now the value for it is like $200.
I don't know the name. The name is very hard, but let me zoom it so you can see. Yeah, this is what it is. I got it when I went to Italy. Very nice box. I got my candles and stuff over here, and I got my money box. All the places that I have been, I normally take their currency and make it a souvenir. These I got from Target, and this I got it from Saturday Market. And the ball on the floor, I DIY the bowl and the little ball in it. The box I got from Goodwill, and the little wooden spoon on it I got from Saturday Market. So let's go eat on one of my favorite things. This donut light I got it from IKEA. This is one of my favorite things in the house. I really like this light. I got it from IKEA. Flower my husband bought me. This right here is my mirror. I always take picture in it. I got this from Wayfair almost 5 years ago. So yeah, and I got this little tablespoon from London. There's a store that I was walking and I seen a decoration store, no, a home decor store, and I just purchased it, and I made sure I put it in my hand luggage and brought it to America. This is one of my favorite things in my house, my Marshall speaker. Really love it. And this is my light too. I got this from Bright Tide. I did a gifting collaboration with them, and they sent me this. I've been having this now close to, I think, 3 years, and I really liked it. So yeah. This right here is a basket that I got from Ross. I like to keep my books and stuff that I read every day. It's right there. This right here is a little table I call my dining table. My husband called it his study table. So we got this table, but it's a study table or dining table. We can use it for both. So we got this. This is teddy bear my husband got me for Valentine. And mirror on the wall to see my pretty face when I'm going to work in the morning. And that's my kitchen right here. I just got this plant. I like flower in my kitchen. And this is egg, by the way. This vase I purchased it from Goodwill and I designed it myself. I got it for like, I think, 69 cents, and I made a design on it myself. Yeah, and it looked pretty. I painted it as well. This is eggs. I did it for Easter, but it's raw egg. You can still eat it. It's still good. And my plant in the kitchen. Hand soap. I like my hand soap and hand sanitizer right here. If I'm feeling very lazy to wash my hands, I always use this, but I always wash my hands. And this is where I keep my olive oil. This too cost me like $70. It's a really good oil. I don't want to advertise it because I purchased my own money, but this is a really nice good oil. I did purchase it with my own money, but it's really nice. So this is the only oil that I use in my house. Yeah. And orange bowl, fruit bowl. My pasta is right there. There's my dishwasher. Got dish in it. And this is my freezer right here and my refrigerator. I don't have nothing. Of course, there's jollof rice and chicken. And there's milk. And that's all. This right here is where I keep most of my coffee cups, glasses. Coffee cup is over there. And all my glasses is over here. Over here, we have bowls, just dishes that I use to make food and stuff. Nothing serious. And then over here, that's where I keep all my food, snacks, and stuff. Snacks, spice jar, flour, just things that I need in my house, necessary things that I need in my house. So they're right there. Over here is all my little mess, like my air fryer, blender, rice cooker, and air fryer. Microwave is right here. More food and snacks down here. Yeah. Over here is my entrance table. I got this from Amazon. And over here is my key hook. I got this from Canada. And then over here is my washer and my dryer. And then over here, there's a lot of stuff that I don't use, but it's here. This is just a place where I keep most of my stuff. It's like a storage for things I barely use or things I'm gonna donate. This is some of the things that I got from brand. These are all things I got from brand that I don't use. I probably need to give them away. But yeah, these are storage in the house, my little. So my bathroom is right here. Nothing to show. My bathroom is over here. I got some towel over there. Just some workout stuff. And my perfume. I know they say you cannot keep it in the bathroom, but I prefer it in the bathroom. These are stuff that I use for my face. I got a standing shower. But yeah. This is the bathroom. Nothing much to show. You know, I just make it look like a little spa. And a good thing. And yeah. Nothing serious. My couch. This couch been with me 3 years. I'm thinking about buying a new one. Yeah, but this is my couch. Yeah, so this is my little apartment. This is my 2600 apartment. I like this apartment because for the view. I think I'm paying for the view. You can see everywhere. I'll just look over there. Look at the bridge. See how pretty it is? See, you can see the entire city. And I love that. So I'm literally paying for the view, and I don't mind. Waking up to this every morning gave me joy. So yeah. So this is my little TV. I had a 70-inch and it got me angry, so I give it out. So now I have this little one, but I'm probably gonna buy a new one. But buying TV is not my priority right now. This one is 7, but I barely watch TV anyway, so yeah. But yeah, this is my 2600 apartment. So